Hey Deborah, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your site, you guys have a good looking site. And these call to action buttons really help with your conversions, so those are really good to have. I recommend maybe a couple more click to call or a form throughout here just to boost your conversion rates. And then you guys are doing really well with your content. I would up the content maybe a couple hundred more words just because Google has crawlers. They're crawling the internet 24/7, looking through the content, searching for keywords embedded throughout. And generally Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on the home page to be considered an authority. And let's take a look at an example of a keyword. Foundation Repair DFW. And so when your customers are searching this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. So it is super good that you guys are ranking for this keyword because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you are ranking here is that your business has more citations, a good amount of reviews, and geotagged photos. So you would want to make sure that you're ranking for all the buyer intent keywords that you're interested in. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% goes into the organic listing down here. And this is where your website is ranking. You guys are at the bottom here. And it's important to be on this first page here because 90% of people stay on the first page, but a lot of the traffic goes into the top 3 businesses here. So let's take a look at the top business for this keyword, Premier, with their website here. You guys are already beating them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end and see why they're ranking. So I have the Premier Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs. We're going to look at ratings pulled from Google data. So the UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 35 and 7 coming from 3.23 thousand backlinks, and their backlinks are coming from 188 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. It is worth noting that not all backlinks are created equal. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. So it is important to be intentional when you are backlinking to your website. And Premier has 288 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. I have your website plugged in here. You all have 31 and 11 coming from 523 backlinks from 94 referring domains. And you all have 64 keywords on your website. And so what I would recommend here is boosting these numbers so that these numbers are higher than all of your competitors for all the buyer intent keywords that you're interested in. The way that you would do that is have high quality backlinks here to your website. And then you want to make sure that your keywords that are on your website are buyer intent. That way you can be showing for when people are searching for it. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. And so what you would do is go into these backlinks here that Premier has, and then you would link them to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some keywords that they have on their website. So they have these keywords on their website and they're ranking for them, so this is where some of their traffic is coming from. Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Dallas Foundation Repair, 150, 180, 180, and this list just keeps going. And there are pages here. And so in order for you to increase your traffic there, you'd want to make sure that your Google Business Profile is ranking for all of the keywords that you're interested in, so have more citations there. And then you want to make sure that your website is ranking. So you would want high quality backlinks boosting your authority and your trustworthiness of your website. Add just a little bit of content on your homepage, and then make sure that you have good high quality buyer intent keywords on your website. And I would love to know if this was valuable for you. So if you'll give me a call with your feedback, and I will also let you know the joke of the day. Thank you for watching.